So, Nick, what do you think?
Not as good coffee.
Anything happened while I was gone?
A couple of customers came in. One guy wanted regular coffee, so I gave it to him. Another guy wanted one of them fancy gay espresso drinks, so I told him to go fuck himself.
That's good for business.
And the Ups guy delivered a package. I think it's coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
There was one other thing. Can't remember what it was.
Well, I'm sure it was very important.
It was actually a matter of life or death.
I bet.
I'll think of it.
Hey, Tone, you got a minute?
You know what, Tony? I'm gonna build you some shelves for this wall. That way you can put like your cups, your coffees, all your Italian knickknacks, all on display here. Boom.
The fuck is this, Frankie? You look like one of the village people.
Yeah. I'm working a little construction now to pay for little Jesse's college fund. Anyway, we really need to talk. Oh, wait. I got something for you. Tell me that is not the cutest little girl on the planet.
Yeah, cute, Frankie.
No. That's for you. You can hang it up in the store. Listen, Tone. I've been going through a lot of changes since the baby was born. I'm clean and I'm sober now. No more coke, booze, women, or gambling. I'm through with all that.
Yeah, that's good, Frank. But I still don't get the construction bit. Once we start moving this white powder, you could buy a college.
Yeah, about that. Listen, Tone. I wanted you to be the first to know.
What? What? Come on, what?
I'm thinking of leaving the priesthood.
Are you fucking crazy? You can't leave. You're gonna fuck everything up. You're our guy on the inside.
I know. But I gotta do this for my family. It's just something I gotta do. I gotta marry Chanel. I gotta be a real father to my kid. Okay? Do you get that? I'm telling you first, because if I told that sociopath fucking Pauli, he'd put a bullet in my fucking head without thinking twice. But you, look at yourself. You're reasonable. I can talk to you.
Frankie, no offense, but you know this ain't your kid, right?
What are you talking about? Why does everyone keep saying that?
Frankie, this kid is a...
Don't you say it, Tony.
I was gonna say African American. You're Irish, for Christ's sake. Frankie, wake the fuck up.
But Chanel's Puerto Rican.
She's white, Frankie. You're white, she's white, but the baby is black. What is missing from this picture?
Give me that. And I was gonna make you Jesse's godfather. I thought you were different, Tony. I guess I was wrong. I want you to remember something, Tony, and remember it good. Jesus was a carpenter. A carpenter!
Oh my God. Oh.
Father, you're so tight.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's what Father Joey said. Oh, go lower.
What's that?
Go lower. Yeah, put your finger right there. Oh, that's it. God damn it, George. Can you please hand me my cell phone? Oh.
Where is that thing?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, here?
Yeah, that's it. Just pull it out. Just pull it out. Right there.
I got it. I got it.
Thank you. Hello?
Did you know Frankie was quitting?
Oh my God, Tony, this is really not a good time right now.
I don't give a fuck what time it is. You were supposed to keep tabs on this guy.
Okay, first of all, don't yell at me. It's not my fault. It's that stupid bitch and her black baby.
Frankie is no good to me clean and sober, okay? I need him to be the fucked up, coked up, degenerate Irish prick that he is, okay? You were supposed to keep him fucked up.
Yeah, and you were talking to a man of God, sir.
Look, motherfucker, I'll take that collar and strangle your little cock-sucking faggot neck with it. You understand? Now you better figure out a way to get Frankie back in line and quick.
Yeah, I'm not liking your tone right now, Tony.
I will cut out your motherfucking heart and feed it to your goddamn cat!
Okay, somebody needs to take a chill pill and call back when they're a little bit better mood.
Hello? Hello?
I'll tell you, George, these Italian mafiosos could be such crude barbarians. But I gotta admit, it makes me really horny.
Father. Did you hang up on me, motherfucker? You son of a...
Hey!
You're late.
I was getting my nails done for tonight, remember? Are you in a good mood?
Do I look like I'm in a good mood?
What happened?
Frankie just left. He says he doesn't want to be a priest anymore. He wants to fucking quit.
He can't do that. He's gonna fuck everything up.
Oh, I just remembered. Carmine was here to kill you. But he said he'd come back later. See, I knew it was important.
Carmine came here to kill me?
Yep, that's what he said.
Oh my God, Tony! Ooh, my nails match my necklace.
You know what? I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of coffee, okay? And I'm gonna sit over there, I'm gonna drink it, and I'm gonna think. And for 1 hour, I don't want to hear a single word from either one of you. 1 hour, not one word. Or I will take this and beat you both to death with it. All right?
Ah, Snookums. You really outdid yourself with this fondue.
Aw, thanks, Master Cock.
I don't mean to be rude, but I think the meat and cheese has gone bad. It's got a weird flavor to it.
Margaret is a strict vegan. No animal products are allowed in the home.
The cheese is made from yeast flakes and rolled oats, and the meat is made from molded mashed garbanzo beans and gluten-free cornmeal.
No wonder I feel so bloated. I got enough gas to take me all the way to Tijuana.
Delicious.
This wine's got no kick to it.
We don't drink alcohol, Mayra.
It's sparkling organic grape juice, squeezed from fair trade grapes.
Margaret's very conscious of unfair labor practices in third world countries.
Really? So is my cousin Jaime.
Is he an activist?
I guess. He smuggles in wetbacks from the Arizona border. He makes a fortune.
Well, I hope you're ready for the special dessert I've planned.
Oh boy! Is it your gluten-free tofu chocolate pie?
It's a surprise. I'll be right back, Master Cock.
I can't wait, Snookums.
I'm out of here.
You're gonna miss dessert.
Gluten-free chocolate tofu pie? Nigga, please. I would rather eat the shit that I scrape off the bottom of my shoe. I thought you said your wife was a freak. Fucking hot into crazy kinky shit. She's a fucking dork.
slave.
Forgive me, Your Sureness.
Who is this peasant whore you brought me?
Bitch, who are you calling a whore?
For your pleasure, my Sureness, I give you young fucking cum slut Mayra.
And what special talents does this dirty girl possess to please me?
Really, bitch? So what do you think?
Mayra, where did you learn to use a cattle prod?
From the internet.
What is that thing with the crank?
Oh, you mean the juicer? I love this thing. You stick it in a girl's snatch, you crank it really hard, and she comes so hard that it's like you're juicing an orange. Like beep, 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 beep.
I like that, yeah.
Don't put it in all at once.
No. Don't stop.
What?
Don't stop.
How did you get that bowling pin to fit in your...
Come on, Tony. Now you're embarrassing me.
What a sick, degenerate fuck.
I know.
Not you, him.
Oh, I know, right? When I put that drill in his ass, like, zzz, I gotta admit, I felt a little dirty. So what happens now?
You set up a meeting between me and your FBI fuck buddy.
Okay. What do I tell him?
You tell him I'm in fear for my life because of this war with Chinatown, and I want protection. I'm ready to make a deal, and I'll give him anything he needs to take down the coffee shop, bean by bean.
Tony, Agent Dirk Blocker, FBI. Okay, let me tell you how this works. For your full cooperation, I can probably lessen, possibly eliminate any prison time for you. Hell, I might even be able to put you in the witness protection program. Get you the hell out of these cold Chicago winters. How's that sound?
How's this sound?
Bark like a dog. Bark like a Mexican dog.
Don't laugh at me, I can't perform.
Oh yeah, baby. Give me the fucking whip. Bend over.
Turn it off.
Are you sure? We're coming up to the part where Mayra fucks me in the ass with the power drill. Come on, watch.
I said turn it off.
Don't stop.
Mayra, I trusted her.
You trusted her? Mayra belongs to us, you sick fuck. You're one sick motherfucker, you know that? You need help.
It's an addiction.
I don't give a fuck. Now let me tell you how this works. From now on, your fucking badge belongs to me. When I need a favor, when I call for you, motherfucker, you better come running. Or this video goes straight to J. Edgar Hoover himself.
J. Edgar Hoover's dead.
I know he's dead, Jagoff. It's a joke. This video goes straight to your boss, understand? I'll put it on fucking YouTube. I'll give it to CNN, NBC, CBS. I don't give a fuck. I'll sell it to MTV. They'll make a goddamn reality show out of it. You will be ruined.
What do you want from me?
Now that's what I wanted to hear. We just made a deal with a new coffee supplier. Shipments direct from Sicily. But you see, in every bag of beans, there's going to be a little surprise inside.
Heroin.
And you're going to make sure the coffee gets through untouched. Any moves by the FBI, DEA, whoever, you're going to tip me off ahead of time. Are we clear? I said, are we clear?
I got a better idea. What if you had a real partner in the U.S. government?
A real partner.
You got competition, right? Cartel, Russian mob, the Chinese. What if I can make them disappear? Or at least tie them up long enough so you can move in on their action?
What if you could?
Then you would make more money than you ever dreamed of. In 5 years, you could retire to some island in the Caribbean and live like a king the rest of your life.
And what's this partnership gonna cost me?
25%.
Fuck you. 10%.
20.
15.
Deal.
Not yet. I'm gonna need a little piece of information first. As a show of good faith.
I'm ready to help in any way I can.
We got a new guy in the crew. His name's Danny Brasso. Is he one of yours?
Who are you?
Danny Brasso out of the Genovese crew from New York. Just got out of Allenwood doing a 36-month stint on RICO charges.
I'll be monitoring your entire conversation. Every move you make. Any problems, any threats, I'm coming in and I'm coming in hard.
I'll be fine.
No.
Really?
He's not one of mine. If you're really worried about him, I'll check him out for you. Make sure he's not a cop.
Yeah, you do that.
Tony, I think this is the beginning of a beautiful relationship.
Once upon a time in America, when a candidate, a singer, and a gangster secretly held the fate of the nation in their hands. Princes and Thieves.
Take a shot at me. You're as hot as a girl can be. Take a shot, maybe 2 or 3. What you got, baby?